Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
What are we learning today?
Dijo.
Today we're talking about food. Let's learn some new words. Can you teach us the word for milk in Sepedi?
Maswi.
And water?
Metsi.
And what about bread?
Boroto.
Abuti, what is the word for fruits in Sepedi?
Tienwa.
Okay. And vegetables?
Merojo.
Okay, that seems easy. Now let's see what you can remember. The word for milk in Sepedi is maswi. And the word for water is metsi. The word for bread in Sepedi is boroto. And the word for fruits in Sepedi is dienwa. And the word for vegetables in Sepedi is merojo. And now you can use these words in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids.
Shalachabotse.